How to use the client portal in Zoho Books. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to be on your own Zoho book as the owner of the business. Now that is because before customers can have access to their portal, you as the owner of the business needs to grant them some access. Now the first thing to do is to head over to your settings. It's at the top of your screen. Now go over to preferences and click on client portal. Now this is what should be on your screen. You can go ahead and change your portal name if you want, and please note that a change in name will also change your portal's URL. Now you can drop a banner message if you want. Now people who visit your portal will get to see this particular message that is written here. Now I must warn that you have to read carefully, just so you know before you check any box or before you uncheck any box. You want to make sure that you go through this thoroughly to be sure of your decision, because anything you check or uncheck here will definitely affect the way your portal runs, whether good or bad. So you want to be sure, and when you are done, you want to go to the bottom of your screen and then you want to click on save. Now once that's saved, you want to head back over to your home page, over to sales on your home page and tap on customers. Now over here you want to select the customer or the client you would like to grant access to your portal. Now after selecting the customer, you want to go to the top right hand corner of your screen and click on more. Now you are going to scroll down to where you see configure customers portal. Now you just want to check the box on your customer's name and click on save. And guys, the portal for that particular customer has been created and an invite has been sent to them. So I'm simply just going to open the email address where this invite went to, so you can have a better understanding. Now this is what your invite should look like on your mail. You just want to go ahead and tap on it. Now guys, the next thing you should do is to scroll down to where you see accept invite. Now we are going to tap on accept invite. Now go ahead and create a password, and when you are done, you're going to click on update for this password to be registered on that portal. Now guys, over here you should be able to see the amount you recently just paid. You should see your available debt and the rest. Now if you have any invoice, you should see one. For me, I don't. And guys, this is how easy it is to use client portal on Zoho Books. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.